Hi, this is Bill. What I'm about to discuss today is automated testing on mobile app. So these are the discuss points: a centralized apps repository, automated performance testing, and also automated functional testing. Now let's start with the centralized apps repository. So we have a two-tier server. So we have the Nimble server where we're going to be running UFT mobile. So let's do a Docker PS. So it's showing we're running UFT mobile at this server, and we're gonna be running it on Nimbus client. So eventually, I'll be using remote desktop. So from here, we could access the UFT mobile. Do a refresh. Now, so we have the all devices tab right here. We have the capability of having the availability of different physical devices being able to connect to a centralized repository like UFT Mobile. So at this instance, I have an Android phone. So this is a Huawei mobile, and we can have multiple devices like iOS, Android tablets, and iOS tablets. And also from here, we could actually view the different apps. So we have a centralized apps repository where we could actually manage all the apps. It's either packaging them, uploading an IPA file, or an APK file. Now let's go to the device lab. And on the device lab, we could actually view the metrics of the mobile. So from the latency, we can actually see also the battery temperature, the health, the disk space, Wi-Fi. So there's a lot of information here. They could actually manage and see where we're gonna be testing the app itself. And other from that, we could actually create a reservation. For example, we're actually building an application, and we need the usage of a physical device, and all we need to do is to be able to connect to 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 this UFT mobile and schedule it for our own convenience. And another use case is if a QA tester is scheduled of using a test, an app test. It may be iOS or Android. We just need to use it and book it in a specific session. So the device will actually be um, scheduled and locked only for your own use. So also we can actually restart the device or reconnect the device from here. So let's exit and let's run. And now we have a simulation of the physical device. So now I'm actually browsing my device in real time, as you can see. I'm just scrolling left and right. And on the left, we could actually do a certain simulations, GPS relocation, or simulate a photo or a camera. Let's go to the right and end the session. So by just going to the connectors, downloading the connector and the service itself, we will have the availability of all the devices necessary for either our development or our test. This is the end of my video. Please continue watching. I'm going to be doing performance testing and functional testing on mobile apps.